Does your Squarespace site need a sleek auto-scrolling logo? Strip the kind you see on agency and SaaS websites showing off client logos or brand partners? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build one. No coding knowledge needed, works on any Squarespace 7.1 site, and it looks seriously polished. This is the Infinite Logo Marquee plugin by Squarespell. It takes a standard gallery block, the one built right into Squarespace, and transforms it into a smooth, endless scrolling strip of logos. It supports multiple rows scrolling in opposite directions, fades out at the edges, so it blends seamlessly into your page and works on both light and dark backgrounds. Before touching any code, you need to set up your gallery block first. In your Squarespace editor, navigate to the section where you want the marquee to appear, click Add Block, choose Gallery, and set the layout to grid. Then upload your logo images, and this part matters, they must be exact square PNGs. Get all your logos uploaded before moving on. Once your logos are uploaded, click the gallery block to open the editor panel on the right. You'll see all your uploaded logos appear as square thumbnails in that panel. Make sure every logo is in there before you proceed to the next step. Now it's time to add the CSS. Go to Custom Codes, then Custom CSS in your Squarespace dashboard. Copy the entire CSS block from the plugin. This handles the marquee layout, the animation, the fade edges on the sides, and the responsive sizing across devices. Paste the whole thing into your custom CSS editor and save. Next, grab the JavaScript, go to Custom Codes, then Code Injection, and open the footer section. Copy the full JS script from the plugin and paste it in there. This script is the engine behind the whole thing. It automatically detects your logo images, builds the marquee structure in the background, and hides the original gallery, so all you see is the smooth scrolling strip. Now open your site in a new browser tab. Your logo should be scrolling automatically in a clean, infinite loop. The link to grab the plugin is in the description. If this helped, leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one.